like brown? Why all color brown? You like brown?
Yes.
So what would you say to daddy?
Thank you.
What would you say to daddy? Today is daddy's
Birthday.
So what would you say to daddy?
Thank you.
And then
Mom, just open me something. Hi.
what is that, Nat? Ano yan?
Cake.
A birthday cake. Sino yung mga tao dyan?
Birthday.
Yes, the ice is... What color is that? Remove your hand, Nat. Tanggalin mo yung kamay mo. Yan, hindi mo makita.
Ayun.
Umado?
Hi.
Umado.
What is this?
Hi.